Welcome to week 2 of our Meatless May campaign. This week we are doing a week-long series entitled Meatless, an effort to help you practically draw away from meat and to adopt or adapt to a more plant-based lifestyle. We are starting off with the topic of research. One of the first things that you want to do is, first of all, research the benefits and side effects of eliminating meat from your diet. Look up what the experts have to say and find people who have adapted to or adopted the vegan lifestyle, vegetarian lifestyle, plant-based lifestyle. Don't just take one side of the issue, because you're trying to go this way. See the benefits and see the risks, especially for you. There may be medical reasons why you need to have some form of animal flesh in your diet, and you want to consult with your primary care physician in that respect as well. So do your research with your primary care physician. 2, research the best method for you of withdrawal. In other words, what can you practically handle? Going a month without meat, a week, or could you handle meatless Mondays? Find out what is best for your body and your needs. 3, look up meals and supplement replacements. What can you do to substitute for this or that in place of the meat or the meat byproduct? And as mentioned in our previous blog, you want to make sure that if you are eliminating certain meats from your diet that provide nutritional value to you, such as B12 and omega and all these things, you want to make sure that you go out and purchase the capsules that's supplementing your vitamin and mineral requirements. For me, as an added aside, I would recommend that you research how the meat gets from being a live animal to the butcher shop to your table, and if that's something that you could live with. Finally, in terms of research, I would recommend wholeheartedly that you take some time to detoxify your body. Go on a cleanse, go on a fast. Just take some time. I recommend 7 to 10 days. Flush your body of all the toxins that's in it and see from that point on what your body is actually craving. You live in your body, so you know what it's all about. And as I close out, I just want to remind you that in the description area, there are a list of things that you can do to be more successful in your adoption of the vegan lifestyle. Today, there's 2 links that's been added. One shows you some vegan meat substitutes that you can use, and the other one, the first one, talks about the benefits and risks of being on a plant-based diet alone. And so I hope you could take advantage of both links. And remember to download and study the Practical Lifestyle Change booklet. See you tomorrow.